Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen record sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the convenience tool. Here we got the screen recording section, go there, and here you got the sound settings. You can record your system sounds just by tapping here on the switcher. Also you can record the microphone sound. You can tap here to OK, and so that's how it looks. If you just wanna turn off your microphone and system sound when you're recording your video, just tap here again to the switchers. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.